Oh my God. What's up, everybody? Pete Nova, and this is the FMS Ford F150 Brushless swapped. That's right, brushless. So let's check this thing out. All right, so we have our FMS Ford F150, and we put in a Spektrum 223S ESC in here, along with an older Spektrum 2300 kV out of my Vortex. Decided to just slap that in there since it fit. We have a 13 tooth pinion on here. I think that's the only pinion size you can go with. It's really tight, doesn't have too much adjustability, so 13 tooth pinion. Have some janky straps here. Waiting on some new straps. This is all I had, so I'll make it work. All right, that's nice and on there. Body fits. Little antenna pokes out a little bit too much, but once you put the body down, it bends out the way. Sorry if it's a little windy. One, two, three. Track start. All right. Woo. Ooh, spicy. Definitely a lot more power. Wow, this thing's a whole different RC on this Spektrum setup. I don't know. Might be a little bit too much power. See if I can get a hit here. Nope. Way too much power for this thing, dude. Oh, don't flip. I don't think this thing's designed for this type of power. Oh my God. Can't even get a full pass in without this thing trying to lift off the ground. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, as soon as I go full throttle, this thing just wants to lift. All right, it's pinned. All right, finally. Shut off the stability control. Much better. Nope. All right, here it comes. Full throttle. Ooh. Oh man. All right, that's enough. All right, so lost control when we went underneath the dumpster, but we're all right. Just ripped off a clip and squished our body a little bit, but I managed to massage it out. Yeah, safe to say, 3S brushless might be a little too powerful for this. This thing is uncontrollable. Stop, read. Oh, we got 40 miles an hour that time right before we crashed. Right. So let's try that again. Track start. Let's see if we can dull down the power. Let's try 75%. All right, it's pinned. Yeah, a little bit more manageable on 75%. All right, let's bring it back and see what we got that time. Stop, read, 29. All right, give us a little bit of room here. All right, pinned. Oh, this thing's not one to break. Oh man. gonna ruin this thing today. These tires just can't handle it. Let's try it again. Pinned. Oh my God. That's it. Gotta throw better tires on because this thing is just slides. We knocked our ESC. Whoops. Let's shut that down. Oh, body's taking a beating, but hasn't cracked yet. And that was a good shot right at the dumpster. Oh my God. Let's hobble this thing back together. Friggin' amateur hour over here. All right, we are back to life. Man, I keep nailing the dumpster because this thing's uncontrollable. I'm surprised the control arms haven't broken for all these dumpster hits. There's just no room out here. All right. All right, kids. So what do we learn today? 1. Do not brushless swap your Ford FMS 100. Leave it brushed, man. I'm telling you. Anytime I try to get anywhere past 3/4 of a throttle, this thing would just wheelie like crazy, like with ease. And anytime I did pick up speed, and right when I let go, I don't know if it's the drag brake or what, but it would lock up one of the wheels and send it flying to the right into the dumpster or the wall. Oh my God. So that was a complete waste of time. What else did we learn today? Second thing we learned today, man, this thing is strong. I mean, I hit that dumpster probably close to 40 miles an hour. It took it like a champ. I went underneath the other dumpster close to 40 miles an hour. The body flattened out, but I was able to massage the body out and it didn't crack anywhere. I mean, it creased a little bit right here. And I do have a dent right here from one of the hits. It goes to show you, this is a good car for your kid. Let me tell you, it's damn near indestructible. Also, I'm not giving up yet on brushless. I'm gonna find a big parking lot and I'm gonna take this thing full throttle on 3 and 4S. That's right, I'm gonna try it one more time. All right, we are back. We're at a big parking lot. We got a big truck with big tires. Let's get it. All right. Tires are rubbing, but we have way more grip. All right, it's pinned. Fully pinned. Oh. Still having a problem where we brake. It shoots the truck sideways. All right, yeah, I'm not too sure what to do about the brake throwing the truck off. All right, it's pinned. Ooh, yeah, all right. Not much we can do about it. It just wants to tumble. Stop, read, 41 miles an hour. So let's do one more in 3S and see if we get a little bit more, maybe, who knows. All right, 1/4, 3/4 full. All right, pinned. Slowing her down very gently. All right, gonna bring it back. Flat out. Gentle on the brakes and turning. Still tipped over, my God. That's the downside to grippy tires. Staying so top heavy, it just tips over with ease. All right. What do we get? Stop, read, 40. So yeah, 3S, 40 to 41 miles an hour, 13 tooth pinion. That's all she got. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is 1/4 throttle. It just wants to wheelie. Forget about half throttle. That's 1/4. All right, I know what you guys thinking. What about 4S? I'm gonna do it. Well, I'm gonna try to do it at least. How do we get here? We went from slow, fun, rad RC to trying to do speed runs on 4S. All right, everything's cool to the touch. That's nice. Ready for this? 4S, baby. All right, in it goes. Like a glove, right? Let's strap this baby in. Plug her up. This is gonna be ridiculous. 4S. Yep, ready to go. It says. All right, let's do it. Wondering if this makes it the first 4S FMS Ford F100. No idea. I'm gonna say yes, unless the guys at FMS already did all this, just for you know, and giggles. All right, make sure we get this track start. All right, here we go. 4S FMS F100. Send it down. I'm gonna try to pick up speed, but I don't know. Might be impossible. Here it comes. Nope. Yeah, I'm only getting 3/4 of a throttle and that's it. So, we'll try my best. All right. Oh, man. All right, let's see what we got there. I had a little above 3/4 of a throttle. I don't know. Stop, read. 48 miles an hour. Oh, come on, give us 50. Now I'm excited. All right, let's try again. Let's try to get 50 in this puppy. Track, start. Come on. Oh, I can feel the wind. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna send it down that way because the wind is going towards me. So that's good. All right, I'm trying to get 50. Gonna ease it in, ease it in, ease it in. All right, I am pinned. Same spot we went down. Do we get our 50? Come on, come on, FMS. Stop, read, 47, come on. Pretty far.
Yeah,
So,
enjoy.
Thank you. Track start. All right. All right, let's give another shot. Wait till the pedestrian clears, because we don't want to hit them at 50 miles an hour. All right, coast is clear. I'm gonna ease it in, boys. All right, half throttle, 3/4. Full throttle. All right, can't get full throttle. Let's see if we got 50 that time. We were a little above 3/4. Stop, read, 48. Oh, man. Let me see how the motor's doing. Motor is cool. All right, we're good. Ooh. So I made the suspension the front as soft as possible. It's just so it has that, you know, bulldog stance to prevent wheelies. It's kind of helping, but tires are rubbing. All right, really want this 50 miles an hour, guys. Trying to ease it in a little bit longer, all right? Come on, FMS. I'm gonna try to keep it at 3/4 of a throttle as long as possible. Then just hit it. Oh, damn it, we tipped. Uh-oh. Looks like our pinion let loose. Either that or we stripped our spur gear. Let's shut it down. Oh man, so close to 50. Get this body off. We lost the clip again. Body is, yeah, body's all done in the back. Took a beating these past 2 days, I give it that. Let's get this wheel off. Put this down really tight. Wheel. Let's get this cover off. Hopefully our pinion is just loose. I did Loctite it, but it was still a little janky. The pinion was sitting right on the edge of the shaft, so who knows, it might have backed out. Alright, got the screws out. Oh wait, no, I see the problem. It wasn't a pinion. Wow, I'm so focused on the pinion, I didn't realize that our axle snapped. So there you have it, 4S axle snappage. Anyways, so since we're here, you guys can see the pinion sitting right on the edge there. There's the shaft. I don't want to bring it any closer to this edge because, you know, that would be a little too risky. But yeah, looks like we're not doing any more runs until I get a new axle shaft. Alright guys, so that concludes our FMS Ford F100 Brushless 3S 4S video. If you guys liked what you see, if I provided some kind of entertainment, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll catch you next time.